The Super Finish Max 8000 kit is an exceptional bundle that includes a paint sprayer, a cleaning tool, and an additional 40-ounce container with a lid, offering great value for any user. With its fast and easy setup, the Super Finish Max HVLP paint sprayer is ideal for a wide range of DIY projects, thanks to its multiple spray settings. The Rapid Clean tool is a convenient addition, allowing users to effortlessly flush and maintain the sprayer after each use, ensuring longevity and performance. An extra container and lid make it simple to store paint or stain between tasks, keeping materials ready for future projects. This versatile sprayer handles a variety of materials, from oil-based to water-based paints, with minimal thinning required, making it highly adaptable. The combination of the Super Finish Max and Rapid Clean ensures easy cleanup, as the cleaning tool can be connected to a standard faucet or garden hose for quick maintenance.